this is Dallin. I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the NETGEAR 4-port Powerline 85 adapter kit. These Powerline adapters actually allow you to use your home's power lines as a bridge between two Powerline adapters. So basically it allows you to extend your hardline network throughout your house without actually having to break holes in your drywall. This particular model supposedly supports up to 85 Mbps. So we'll see what happens when I test it out. But for now, I'm just going to be doing the unboxing. So let's open it up and see what happens. Okay, so we've got your usual user manuals. And here are the devices. Oh, it even comes with 2 complementary Cat5 cables. So this particular kit that I got, one of the wall plugs actually only has one Ethernet jack. This is the one that I'm going to be connecting to my router. The other one actually has 4. This is the one I'm going to be connecting in my office to my office machines. That's all that it comes with. There's not a whole lot there aside from the adapters, the Cat5 cables, and your instruction manual. So I'm going to be setting this up in my home, and I'll most likely be doing another video review on the NETGEAR 4-port Powerline 85 adapter kit. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, email me at geekloop@gmx.com.